Hello traders, Akil Stokes here and welcome back to another episode of the Trading Blog. Just got finished my 6-mile run for today, so I'm feeling good and excited to give you guys another episode. Yesterday's episode was something special. I got a lot of positive feedback. We did the Trading Blog live because it was really a topic that I want to have more of a discussion about instead of just talking to you, me to camera to YouTube. So the feedback was great. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. We may have to do it again in the future. There were a few questions about, hey Akil, I don't know how to join live. I'm not too sure since I'm always on the other end of this, but I believe that as long as you're subscribed to my channel, as long as you're on my channel page, when the live event goes off, I think you can join just automatically. And for you guys that were there, please correct me if I'm wrong. Just type it in the comment section. And for the traders that asked that question, you can look below and see the answer. In today's trading blog, I wanted to follow up on a little bit of what we talked about at the end of yesterday's session. If you guys remember at the end, I went on a little bit of a rant about traders not taking trading seriously. And we had an incident in the live room today where we kind of continued that discussion. So what I want to do is share with you some footage from my live trading room where I'm talking to a trader and a group of traders about really what you need to do if you're going to take your trading seriously, and really making the decision of whether you seriously and really want to be a trader or not. And if you are, you have to go all in. If you don't, then you need to stop right now. But before we get into that, I want to share with you an article. If you guys follow me on social media, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, I always share a handful of the inspirational articles that I come across. And I didn't share this one yet, I don't think, but this is a pretty good one because it follows up on yesterday's topic. It says 10 dumb money mistakes people make in their 30s. And guess what? You don't have to be in your 30s. You could be of any age and make these 10 dumb money mistakes. But this piggybacks on yesterday's conversation about, as a group, as a society, just many of us are not really financially responsible. Many of us don't have the skill or haven't taken the time to learn the skill to just manage our own finances. And that's a very, very, very scary thing, especially if you're going to be into trading where this is, guess what? The financial markets, right? You're in control of your own finances. That's why we trade. But scroll through this, give this a read. I'll put the link in the description box below this video, but you can see carrying too much credit card debt, not diversifying your income. We talked about this yesterday, not having a financial plan, right? Putting off retirement, overspending, failing to plan for the worst. This is directly related to yesterday's conversation about allowing yourself to take a drawdown. And you can see there's a few more there as well. So check it out. And I'm going to go ahead and shoot you this live room footage, and I hope you guys enjoy. So disappointed again. It's 2 days in a row. If it's still a little confusing, why are you trading? That's the question. I understand people get confused, right? Especially using different platforms, especially if you made a jump from one platform to the other. But here's the thing. If you're confused and you don't know where to put stop losses, why are you entering the trade? Because there are 3 things we need to know before every trade, right? Entry, stops, and targets. So if you don't know one of those 3 things, why are you taking the trade? Why not wait out until you test it out a little bit and figure out how to do it the way that you want? You don't want to put any hard-earned money at risk until you're absolutely sure in what you're doing, right? Yeah. Would you build a house, right? Would you start building a house if you're not really sure how to put up the foundation? Would you go to fix your car if you weren't really sure how to maneuver under the hood? Would you do anything else in life that has consequence without really being sure how to do it? Or would you test it out first? Would you experiment? Would you do trial and error first? Would you try to fix the brakes on your car and then go ahead and drive it without being sure? Yes or no? Yeah. So why is trading any different? Why do people assume they can get into trading and just without trying stuff out and having a clear idea what they're doing? Why? We got to take trading more seriously. I mentioned this in yesterday's blog. If this is going to be a hobby, you're just going to waste a lot of time and money, and you're going to end at the same point. You're going to fail. So you might as well quit right now before wasting time and money, and use that money for something else. If that's how you're going to treat it, if you're going to treat it like a hobby. If you're going to treat trading seriously, you got to trade the right way. You have to. Those are the two options, right? It's extremely hard for those who trade the right way to make it, right? It's extremely hard for those who do everything right to become successful. So why would we think if we're doing stuff the wrong way, right? Why would we think that there's going to be a different result? You're just going to get blown out the water even quicker. I'm telling you. Because what's going to happen is you're going to do it. You're going to get triggered on this trade. It's going to win. You're going to go home and you're going to be like, see, I told Akil, it doesn't matter. I'm good at this. You're going to start investing more money in yourself and you're going to blow it up. We need to make the decision about how seriously are we going to take our trading. And I know you guys are serious, because if you weren't, you wouldn't be in here, right? You wouldn't spend your time in here if you weren't serious. But now we got to start doing the actions. We got to break those old habits, those rookie habits, the habits of those who are treating this like a hobby. You have to break those habits and start treating this like a business. And you don't open your business until you have all the T's crossed and all the I's dotted, right? You don't open your business to the public until you have the entire business plan figured out, until you've done a test run with a small group to make sure everything works right. Only after that do you open your business. Because you need to know exactly what you're doing. Because if you don't, the market's going to take everything from you. You wouldn't be the first, you wouldn't be the last. It will take everything from you. And then for many people, it will take everything from you again. And again and again and again. For however long you're willing to donate money. So you got to make a choice. This goes for everyone. You got to make a choice. How serious am I going to be about trading? Am I going to be patient and disciplined enough not to trade what I see right now? Especially with live money, and just work on building my skill of trading? Or am I going to treat it like the casino? I'm going to try and hop in without a clear idea of what I'm doing. And I can't help you with that choice. That choice is up to you. Just know that this is an industry where 90% of traders do not become successful. And there's a reason for that. Think about what the 10% are doing. All right, so for many of you, that conversation probably hit home. And I don't want it to be a negative conversation, more so just a wake-up call. Everything I do is out of love. Everything I do is out of trying to push you in the right direction of being a consistently profitable trader, an independent, consistently profitable trader. And sometimes it takes a pat on the back. Sometimes it takes, maybe a harsh tone. But don't get, don't feel, if you're like the trader in this video, don't feel personally upset. Don't shift your blame to something else, the markets, to me, to some other trader you watch on YouTube, right? Take responsibility and start making a change. And one of the best ways you can make that change, one of the easiest ways, is to involve yourself in a community like the Live Room, right? Each and every day we come in, we spend 3 hours in the live room and we walk through trading scenarios. So not only do we walk through each and every pair in my portfolio from the technical standpoint, but we have conversations like this talking about trading psychology, talking about what you must do as a trader if you want to improve. So if you ever get any free time, feel free to sign up. Just head over to tradeempowered.com. You can click, I'll show it to you guys in a little bit. Just click the products and services tab up here. And just go to live trading rooms. We still offer 1 week free trials in all of our live trading rooms. So if you ever get a week off from work or you ever feel like waking up early, hop in. We'd love to work with you. It's a great community of traders and it makes trading life easier and more fun at the same time. So until next time, traders, plan your trade, trade your plan. As always, thank you for the like. Thank you for you guys that are new that have decided to subscribe. And for all of you guys that share this out there, I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to get to 50,000 subscribers this year. And when we get there, it's going to be because of you guys. So thank you very much. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, traders. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradingpower.com website or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.